Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to stop verification required for free iOS app downloads. You're eager to download and explore a new app, however the irritating verification required message won't stop popping up. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And the next step is change or update Apple ID payment method. For this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on payment and shipping. Your current payment information might open. Tap back to go to payment and shipping. From here, select add payment method. Fill in with details and then tap done. Once you have your new payment method, you can delete the old one with outdated information. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you what to do with decline or failed payments. To check, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. And then tap on payment and shipping and see the payment method links to your Apple ID. If you see the payment method in red along with the field, you need to use a different payment method. When your payment decline, if the old payment method doesn't work, you can change the payment method. Try selecting from the available payment methods option and entering all the required details. Remember that the availability of payment method depends on your country and region. And you are done. And the next step is pay any unpaid subscription dues. To check if you have any unpaid subscription, go to settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, tap on subscriptions. Check if you have any subscription that required payment. Then go back to your Apple ID and then tap media and purchases. From here, tap on view account and then tap on purchase history. If you have hidden them, be sure to unhide your App Store purchases first. If you have made purchases you have not paid for yet, you will see an amount you owe in red under app downloads or in-app purchases you made, and you are done. And the next step is disable App Store restrictions. For this, go to settings and then scroll down and then tap on screen time. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy. If you don't have this turned on, you can skip this solution. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Ensure that installing apps and in-app purchases are allowed. For this, select don't require under required password section and you are done. And the next step is agree to terms and conditions for media and purchases. For this, go to settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, tap on media and purchases and then tap on view account. If you have not agreed to the terms and conditions, you will see a pop-up asking you to review and approve them, and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign in back to Apple ID. For this, go to settings and then tap on your name at the top. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on sign out and then restart your iPhone and sign back in, and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue verification required for free iOS app downloads, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.